feel?
I'm very nervous.
That's okay. It's a natural, diba? It's a natural feeling.
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm so, not so much, but I will be.
Okay, so before we reveal,
So before we reveal who will move on to the next round, we will give our candidates a chance to relax for a few minutes with a sweet serenade.
ladies and gentlemen, ang Provincial Bay Alden. There's more to life than just how I feel. All that I work is right before my eyes. I live for, but I didn't know why. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you.
Disappointed yata kayo eh. Ayaw niyo yung provincial bail eh. Kaya't niyo pambansang bay. May I now call on the Pambansang Bay, Alden Richards!
Candidates, thank you so much and good luck sa inyong lahat. Wow, kailan ba yung huling balik ko dito? Parang 3 years ago po. So, kamusta na po kayo? Ayan, oh. Sino ba ditong nanonood ng Destined to be Yours?
Ayan,
Ay.
ako, maraming salamat, Mr. Alden
Ay,
Richards.
hindi pa nga ako tapos eh.
Hindi nga, tatanungin
Hindi
nga
ko pa nga
kita.
nababati yung mga judge eh.
Tatanungin ko nga kung ano, kamusta na yung teleserye nyo ni
Ayun naman pala.
May.
Okay naman po, pang ilan na ba? Ano bang
Ngayon,
Anong araw ngayon?
Thursday.
Thursday. So, pang-apat na araw na po namin. Nag-start po kami nung Monday. So, yan.
At mamaya ay birthday ni May.
Mamaya, ano ba oras? Ilang oras na lang? Mga 3 hours and a half po. Birthday na.
O, sige. Kamustahin mo na yung mga judge
So,
natin.
the distinguished board of judges po, of course, Miss Pia and Doc Hayden. Sir Albert, good evening po. And si Jazz, Jazz, saka si Jeff.
And si Congresswoman.
And si Congresswoman, magandang gabi po. And to Congressman Pacoy Ortega.
Yes.
Governor Pacoy Ortega. Thank you po for
diba?
inviting me.
Oh, mali eh.
But dito na hanggang dito ba naman, Miss Ay, dadali mo yung pambubuli mo?
Hindi.
Grabe ka naman.
Uy, pero ang gabo-gabo. Nakita mo paano sa mga cute mo talaga.
Ay, ikaw nga, nakita ko nga yung nagsishow ka dito kanina. Ginagaya mo pa si Miss Universe natin.
Cute mo talaga, Alden. Grabe, ang cute mo.
Sakit eh.
O sige, ano na gagawin mo yun? Kakantahan mo ba sila ulit?
Yes, meron. One more.
Ay,
Miss
sige.
Ay.
Okay, palakpakan po natin ang Pambansang Bay, Mr. Alden Richards!
Yes, one more song po. At kung alam niyo po itong kantang to, pwede po kayong sumabay. Actually, ito po yung isa sa mga kanta na nag-mark sa ALDA. So I hope magusto niya pong lahat to. For all the times I felt cheated, you know how to come from all the wrongs I have repeated. Yesterday, I still stand. But then out of the blue, nothing you do to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I want is right before I didn't know why. Now I do. Thank you, ma'am. 'Cause God gave me you. All the times I wore myself beating like a paper check. All around up with for every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every day I'm finally free. I truly believe that God will be here to show. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I want is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, God didn't know why. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. In your arms, I'm somewhere. Every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been waiting. God gave me you to show me what's real. Here's what you like, and just how I feel. And all that I want is right before my eyes. And all that I've been for, but I didn't know why. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. Thank you so much po. And sana napaligaya ko po kayo with just a short time that I'm here. And maraming salamat po again to Governor Pacoy Ortega. Thank you so much. And to the Ortega family for being so hospitable. The best. Thank you so much. And yun po, I'd like to... Ay, Tito Boy pala. Tito Boy, Miss Ai.
Maraming salamat, Alden.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much po. And
Sandali, may sinasabi akin na binubuli ka ni Eileen?
sobra po eh.
Talaga?
Sobra po.
So anong ginagawa mo pag It's bad ha, Eileen? Don't do that.
Kaya baliktad yun. Siya lang bubuli sa akin, nuhulog niya ako sa stage.
Hindi po
Kanina sa backstage po, nag-aaway silang
Totoo,
dalawa.
hinuhulog niya ako sa
Maghuhulugan
stage.
daw sila sa
Pero pag
stage.
nainis ako sa kanya, hinuhulog ko rin siya.
Ganun magmahala ng
Hindi po,
dalawa
opo.
ito.
Yun po, sana
Love ko to
lagi
eh.
po kayong nanonood ng show namin ni Miss Ai, yung Sunday Pinasaya.
Opo.
And destined to be yours po, gabi-gabi sa GMA Telebabad.
Alden, nais ko lamang sabihin, anong nais mong sabihin sa mga batang nangangarap na mag-artista, maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap sa entertainment industry? What do you want to tell them?
Well, syempre po, isa po si Tito Boy sa mga nakakaalam nun kasi before pa lang po, magkakilala na kami, hindi pa po ako artista. So isa rin po si Tito Boy sa nag-inspire sa akin to reach for my dreams. Actually, sa lahat po na nangangarap, kahit saan man parte ng Pilipinas or ng mundo, it's really not that hard to achieve your dreams. You just have to believe in your dreams, to have faith in the Lord. And talagang you just have to put your dream in your heart. Kasi yun yung magdadrive sa inyo to do better in your craft. Mapasan man yan, hindi man sa showbiz, hindi man sa ibang bagay, kahit sa ibang profession. Pero isa lang ang dapat nandito sa puso nyo is yun yung if you believe in yourself and believe in your dreams and have faith. So yun lang po.
Yan.
Thank you.
Mabuhay ka, Alden. Maraming salamat.
Salamat po, Tito
Mga
Boy.
kaibigan,
Alden
Thank you so much.
napakabait na bata. Kung bata ka ba, halimbawa, liligawan mo si Alden?
Liligawan ako ni Alden kung bata ako.
Sa mga panahong ito, may karapatan na ang mga kababaihan manligaw kung sino man ang gusto nila. Yan ang paniniwala ko.
Medyo pantay lang naman kami, bagay lang naman in case bata ako. Hindi naman kami nagkakalayo ng itsura. Kaya
okay.
pwede rin.
Aha, okay. Gandang-ganda ka talaga.
Oo.
Hindi, nakakatuwa po yan. Napakabait na bata. Bago mag-artista po si Alden Richards, he used to come with me in my dressing room bilang isang batang nangangarap. Hindi ko naman akalain. Yun yung panahon na nagkasakit ang nanay. And I could not manage talent. So,
Yes.
napunta kung saan dapat siya
Nagpahinga
mapunta.
kasi si Ama for about 3 or 4 years.
Proud of the boy. Proud of the boy. He works very hard. Okay. Right now, mga kaibigan, we would like to award our next set of
Yes.
special awards. And we begin, dito tayo sa gilid para makita natin yung mga girls. Best Designer for the Gown.
Yes. Unahin natin ang designer who created the most fabulous evening gown.
And the winner is number 18, Designer Rex Vitales. Candidate number 1, Karina Carino from Ago.
Kung ako naman sasali sa award, sigurado ito ang matatanggap ko. Pupunta na tayo sa Miss Friendship.
And the winner is candidate number
10, Darlene May Kawili. Kawili.
award, mga kaibigan, is a very special award dahil ang pumili nito ay ang ating mga babayan dito sa La Union. And we call this special award People's Choice Award. And the winner for People's Choice Award is
Candidate number 6, Roxanne Sanglay.
Bang
Now, our special award is the Best in Evening Gown.
and the winner is
The winner is Karina Carino.
a gold.
Let's go and find a place and get to know each other.
And here are the presenters of their second set of special awards. For Miss Radiant Smile is Dr. Mikael Nisse. For Miss Beautiful Hair, it's Mr. Josh Villarama and Miss Jeneline Agoliana. For Miss Beautiful Skin, for Best in Evening Gown, Mr. Cesar Lazuna and Miss Rogie Geronimo.
Sentro tayo.
Ngayon,
you
ang
very
ating
much.
pong kompetisyon ay more tougher and more exciting from this point on because we're about to make the first cut for the evening.
Okay? Ito na po mga kaibigan ang isa sa pinakahihintay natin because we will be announcing the top 10 semi-finalists. The top 10 semi-finalists. At alam mo ang gagawin natin, Eileen, as we call the top 10 semi-finalists, we will get a chance to do a casual interview.
Yes.
Dito ka magaling eh. Casual interview para mas mapigurahan ika nga ng ating mga
Correct.
judges.
Para alam nila ang kanilang mga opinion at haka-haka sa mga bagay-bagay.
Napakagaling mo pag nagsasalita ka ng ganyan.
Yes.
ah. Okay.
Tagalog na Tagalog.
You ready?
Yes, we're ready. Are you ready?
Let's begin. Our first semi-finalist is candidate from
Ago! Agoo.
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening po.
How does it feel now? How are you feeling now?
I'm very much excited to answer whatever question the judges will ask me. Thank you.
Okay, but we have a question for you. Your mother, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, was a former Miss La Union, tama?
Yes, she won exactly 30 years ago.
30 years ago, and Agoo has been winning Muchati La Union for the past 5 years. I mean, how much pressure is that for you tonight that you have so much napakataas ng expectation para manalo ka?
From the start, I expected that there will be pressure. However, I took it as a challenge and as an inspiration for me to compete and go to the goal, which is to be crowned as Mutyati La Union. Thank you.
Ay.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend po.
Since
Pero,
birth? Since birth?
Yes, no boyfriend since birth. That's right, parents.
pero meron ka pa bang sister or may sister ka?
I have a little brother po.
Ah, wala
Halimbawa
kang sister.
lamang, last question for the judges. I know you're a good girl, you're gonna go to heaven. Halimbawa lamang pumunta ka sa impyerno. Sino ang isasama mo na nandito ngayon? Or halimbawa, from the judges, we have 5 judges. If you were to go to hell, who would you bring along with you and why?
Huwag ako ah.
I think that whoever I may bring to hell would not feel hell at all because after all, I am with them and as a good girl, I think that heaven is with me. Thank you.
Maraming
Oh,
salamat,
maganda.
Miss Agoo. Thank you.
Bongga.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
She's
Miss
our
Agoo.
first semi-finalist.
Diba?
Ikaw, pag pumunta ka sa langit, sino ang sasama mo?
Ulitin mo yung question, Ama. If you will...
Eileen, if you were to go to hell, if you were to go to hell, who would you bring along with you and why?
You can also go to hell.
Okay, our next semi-finalist is candidate from
San Fernando! Hello, Miss San Fernando.
How are you?
I'm good.
Anong iniisip mo ngayon?
My crush. Because he is my inspiration for now.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
He is...
He is my inspiration for now. My crush.
Ah, your crush.
Ah, wala kang boyfriend
Oh,
crush
your
lang.
crush. Ano,
So-
taga rito ang crush mo?
Yes.
Ah, taga rito. Is he here? Is he
yes.
watching?
Yes.
Is he tall?
Yes. So,
Is he handsome?
of course.
Is he
Ikaw ba
dark?
to, kuya?
Is he dark?
Moderate.
No, fair?
Yeah.
Okay. Halimbawa lamang, Miss San Fernando, tanong ko ito, Eileen. Halimbawa lamang, crush mo siya, you're falling in love with him, and then one day, he comes to you and says, what's your palayaw?
Yana.
Yana, you know, I want to be honest with you. I'm gay. What would you tell him? I'm not saying he's gay, wherever you are. Hypothetical, Eileen, ang tawag niyan.
Ah, yes.
I'm gay, and I'd like to give you a chance to, whatever. What would you tell him?
Of course, I would still love him because I still love him. So even if he is gay, I would just accept him and love him. That's it. Thank you.
Hindi, one follow-up lang. Halimbawa, ipupush ko, he's gay. Nalaman mo that he has an affair, hypothetical ha, with your own father. What would you do?
Of course, I will love them both because I have the family, the so-called family.
Alam nyo, maganda yun.
Mabait,
Thank
ah,
you.
mabait.
Maraming salamat. Yeah, that's about love.
Yes.
Thank you.
Love
Candidate
wins.
from San Fernando. Gagaling nila, ha?
Oo, magaling
Medyo
sumagot.
wala kang laban sa mga ganon. Okay, our next semi-finalist is from...
From Santo Tomas! Ay, ang ganda.
Wow!
In fairness sa kanyang gown. Hello, Miss Santo Tomas.
Hello po, good evening.
Pwedeng masabi mo sa amin at i-describe ang iyong hometown, Santo Tomas. Kasi sa Batangas may Santo Tomas din eh. So gusto ko lang din malaman na ano ba ang meron sa Santo Tomas?
Well,
Santo Tomas is a place where people are hardworking since it's a coast of fishermen and people who are really working. And I've seen that they're determined of what they love to do. And I can see that they're hardworking people. And I can say that I am too as a person who is hardworking.
I have a follow-up question. Dahil fish, di ba? Fisherman. Kung ikay isang isda, ano ka at bakit?
Well, I could say that I am my own kind of fish. I mean, any would do. Just show yourself that you love the sea, you love where you belong, and that's the best thing that you can be.
Halimbawa, nahuli ka bilang isda. Anong klasing luto ka dapat?
I would say it's the best meal you can do, the best recipe that you can be, because you're representing something, and that's you, just being you, yourself itself.
Ano ba yan? Paksiw? Ano yun? Sweet and sour? Anong luto na isda?
Escabeche?
I mean, there are a lot, but I can say just the perfect taste for every kind of people.
Tama nga naman. Pero halimbawa, kung dish ka, sino ang gusto mong kumain sa'yo? No, I mean as a dish. Di ba? As a dish.
I would say just the people who would want me. I mean, my family is there to support me. So I would rather say people that would really love me for what I am.
Right. Maraming salamat, Miss Santo Tomas. Di ba?
Sweet siya.
Thank you.
Kunyari sinabi sa kanya, kainin kita. Sure.
Halimbawa ikaw, isang ulam ka, sino ang gusto mong kumain sa'yo? Ulam ka.
Kung ako ay isang klaseng ulam, ako'y hindi makakain. Sabagat ako ay panis.
Our next our next semi-finalist is from
Kaba!
Aba! Beautiful girl. Ito mabilisan na. Halimbawa, you have a third eye. You have a third eye. Saan mo ilalagay at bakit?
If I will have a third eye, I will put it on my hands so that it will not be noticed by anyone.
That's right. That's short and sweet.
Yes.
Binibilisan na natin.
Oo.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ikaw ama, ako meron kang third eye.
Ganda. Ikaw?
Ako? Kung ako may third eye, ilalagay ko sa baba ko.
Bakit?
Bakit? Para yun ang tinitingnan nila. Mata, hindi baba.
Okay?
Habe! Intelligent!
Our next semi-finalist is from
Santol! Hi, Miss Santol! Dahil galing ka sa bayan ng mga Santol, ano ang gusto mong ginagawa sa Santol?
I am from Santol and I would like to go to the beautiful falls in our town.
Hindi, halimbawa, ang tinatanong ni Ay, ikay Santol, ano daw ang gusto mo na gawin sa Santol na prutas?
Santol na prutas. Kakainin, iluluto, ibibigay.
Ayun. Nilulunok. Di ba yung buto? Some do it. Okay.
Of course, I would eat it.
You will eat it. You want it eaten.
Yes.
Why?
Yes, because I like the taste of sour.
Okay. Ako rin. Candidate from Santol, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next semi-finalist is from...
Pugo!
You pronounce it Pugo. Tama? It's
Pugo.
Beautiful young lady.
Pugo!
Pugo. Di ba? How are you?
I'm good.
Who is the most important person in your life?
Of course, my family.
Among your family, who is the most important?
My mother.
Why? Oh, make your nanay proud.
Because I am who I am now because of her. I am nothing without her. And she is my source of strength. She is my happiness. She is my life. And I want to make my nanay proud.
Proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Thank
May tanong ako. Halimbawa lang, nagkautang ang nanay mo ng napakalaking pera. O, halimbawa, 5 million pesos. At ito'y ipinagpatayo niya ng bahay para sa isang kalaguyo. This is hypothetical. You know, what would you do?
Alam ko po na lahat ng ginagawa ng nanay ko may rason siya. Siguro po irirespeto ko pa rin yon. At naniniwala ako na sa lahat ng ginagawa niya, meron siyang matinding rason kung bakit niya ginawa yon. And I always believe na lahat ng ginagawa niya para din sa amin yon. Siguro
Pati yung kalaguyo?
Siguro po pinatayo niya yon para sa kalaguyo niya. Pero baka tumulong yung kalaguyo niya para sa amin pala yun, di ba, Tito Boy?
Di mo galing. Thank you very much.
Let's
Marami.
be positive, everyone.
Let's be positive.
Aba.
Thank you very much. That's the spirit.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you
That's
very
what
much.
you call positivity.
Galing, no?
Oo.
Ikaw ba magpapatayo ka ng bahay para sa kalaguyo mo? Halimbawa
ulitin mo yung tanong.
Ikaw ba, Aileen, magpapatayo ka ng bahay para sa iyong kalaguyo?
Kunya ang nanay ko.
Hindi.
Nanay, ay ako.
Ikaw. Kunyari, nanay mo.
Oo. Sabi ko, Nay, tiran mo naman ako.
Okay.
5 milyon?
Okay, our next semi-finalist is from Balawan.
Balawan. Hello, Miss Balawan?
Ako, ulitin ko lang kasi, hi.
Hello po.
Why would you be chosen as the big winner tonight?
I should be the one to be chosen tonight because I really wanted to be a Muchachi La Union. This is my dream since I was a child. And I am here not to use the crown, but I am here to be used by the crown for my own sake, for others' sake, and of course, for the sake of my province of La Union. Thank you.
20 million pesos or the crown? Ano ang pipiliin mo at bakit?
Practically speaking, I would choose 20 million pesos.
Bongga, tama naman yun. Practical.
And I will use that money to do some projects for the betterment of my province too.
Yes.
Thank you
Amen
very
to that.
much. Diba? Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Galing, no?
Galing.
Practical. Our next semi-finalist
Is
from
Baknota.
Baknotan.
Hello, Miss Baknota.
Para mas malapit dahil lumalayo tayo.
Good evening.
Hello.
Miss Baknota, ikaw ba ay meron ng boyfriend?
Yes, I have.
Oh,
Ayan.
talaga, is he here tonight?
Hindi lang halata. Yes, he's here.
Hindi lang halata. He's here. What do you want to
Yes.
tell him? What do you want to tell him if he's here? What do you call each other? Babe, Han?
Love.
Oh, wow. Okay. Love, what do you want to tell him?
Thank you for supporting me always.
Okay, so ako naman ang magtatanong. Kunyari, ayan na siya si Love. Kunyari si Love ay natagpuan mo na assure forever. Pero ayaw kanyang maging beauty queen. Ano ang pipilin mo? Si Forever Love or ang iyong crown?
In my own opinion, I could balance it. I would tell him that I will be a good role model if I will continue to be a beauty queen. And I will not lose time for him. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Maraming salamat. Halimbawa si Love, may ka-holding hands dyan. At nakita mo,
Ano ba to? Ano ba yung holding hands niya?
Di ba?
Babae o lalaki?
kahit ano, she can
Okay.
choose. Anong sasabihin mo sa kanya?
I would ask why they're holding
Holding hands.
How much do you value fidelity? How much do you value faithfulness?
I value it so much because it's in a relationship that is the most important thing that you should value. That's all. Thank you.
That you should be faithful to each
Yes.
other. That's true. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, our next semi-finalist is
From San Juan! Super smile.
Hi po.
galing, no? Meron kang hinahangaan na isang artista?
Actually, I have someone in my mind that is not an artist.
Who is this?
It is the late Senator. Can I have the mic? Thank you. It is the late.
I share my mics.
Thank you for that, sir. It is the late Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, because she is a woman who is brave and a woman who can stand on her feet, and that is who I am.
Wow. Brave, walang kinatatakutan. That's Tita Miriam Defensor Santiago. Would you want to enter politics?
Actually, no. But joining this pageant gives me the opportunity to become also a role model to youth and to other people.
Okay, ano ang una mong project sa youth, if ever lang, napapasok ka sa politika? If ever, kahit ayaw mo.
If ever I would enter into politics, the project that I would give to the youth is the awareness for cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying. Okay.
Because it is one of the top problems here in the Philippines at
That's
the moment.
right.
And being a victim of cyberbullying needs an attention that we should look forward in life, and we should be positive in what life can offer to us.
Dapat labanan talaga natin ang cyberbullying.
Yes.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Our candidate from San Juan. So we have now 9 and we have one more to complete our 10 semi-finalists. Eileen,
And the last one
our last
is from Luna.
Hi.
Hello, Tito Boy.
You're very emotional. Bakit?
It is a mind-boggling moment and also a heartbreaking one.
Why?
It is a heartbreaking because we are 20 and down to 10. And I feel really nervous right now.
Ayan.
You know why? Because they become very close to each other. At ang hirap iwanan ng 10 and then 10 move to the top 10. I
Yes.
understand. It's really kindness and they have forged this kind of a friendship. Halimbawa lang, hindi kita pahirapan, candidate from Luna, right? You see the 9 semi-finalists. Kayo nasa isang bangka, para mabilis ang usapan na ito. Kayo nasa isang bangka and you can only save 8. Sino ang hindi mo isasalba dyan sa siyam na yan at bakit?
Guys. Of course, they are who can swim. Okay, Miss Kaba can swim, and I will be the Miss Kaba and I both will swim until we've got into the shore, and of course, the 8 of them will stay on the boat because they cannot swim.
Very kind. Maraming salamat.
Very smart.
Our candidate from Luna. Thank you very much. Thank you. And to the other girls, thank you so much. Thank you. You are beautiful, beautiful girls. Maraming salamat. And right now, nais nating pasalamatan ang maraming mga tao, and we would like to acknowledge some very important people in the audience. Vice Governor Aurelio Augusto Nisse. Nasaan si Vice? Maraming salamat for being here tonight. Our 2nd District Representative, Congresswoman Sandra Erigel. Nasaan si... Maraming salamat po for being here. And board members, mayors, and vice mayors of La Union, maraming salamat.
Yes, and that is our 10 semifinalists. And in just a few minutes, we will find out who among these 10 gorgeous candidates will make it to our magic circle of 5.
Nakaka-nervyos, no? But right now, let's find out from our Board of Judges. Because sabi ko nga, the difficult, daunting job of choosing our winners, belongs to the 5 distinguished people over there. And we would like to talk to them. Kailangan magandang English mo dito.
Oo, syempre, kailangan
Let's start with
talaga.
Geraldine, who's a friend of mine. Congresswoman Geraldine Roman, this is Ay de las Alas.
Yes, Congresswoman, good evening.
Can we fix our microphone, please? Huwag ka masyado umarte dahil napakasimpleng tao ni Geraldine. Okay.
Good evening, Ay.
Good evening, Congresswoman.
We can hear you now. Can we try it again, Geraldine, please?
Hello, Ai.
There.
Ayan.
Okay.
Hello, Miss Congresswoman.
Sabi ko nga maraming salamat dahil ipinaglalaban ni Geraldine sa Kongreso ang anti-discrimination bill at naparaming iba. Nasa plenaryo yata ngayong darating na March 14, tama?
That's right.
Na pinagtutulungan nila Christopher De Venecia. Maraming salamat. Geraldine, what are you looking for tonight?
I'm looking for a perfect combination of beauty, brains, poise, confidence, and elegance. Mahirap ba?
Mahirap yun. Mahirap yun. Pero nasa overall na dating, no? But I understand what you're looking for. Pero may nahanap ka na at this point?
More or less.
More or
Meron
less.
akong, I have an idea who this lady is, and we'll see kung magkakatugma kami ng mga judges.
Very simply, Congresswoman, ano ang kagandahan para sa'yo? What is beauty?
For me, true beauty is being true to oneself. Kailangan magpakatotoo tayo sa ating sarili because naniniwala ako na tayong lahat ay binigyan ng Diyos ng mga capacities and talents as well as our own limitations. So just be true to yourself, and for me, that's being beautiful.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you get that whole concept of beauty?
Yes. Just be yourself and be beautiful every time because true beauty is within me.
Oh, ganda. Parang hindi naniniwala sa si Pipay. Let's go. Albert Martinez, hi.
Hello there. Good
Hello po,
evening.
sir.
Hi.
How are you, sir? I
Hi.
miss you, sir.
I miss you too.
I miss you too. Alam mo ako naging babae. No, this is not a joke. He knows this. I've been telling his manager this. I would have married him. Totoo yan. One of the nicest guys in the... do you know that? Little naman ako. Albert, do you know that you're one of the most loved people in the industry?
Oh, happy to hear that.
No, you are. Alam mo yun? You are.
Napakabait.
Aside from the fact that you're one of the most brilliant actors in the
No.
industry.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. Anong hinahanap mo ngayong gabi? Who is the winner that you're looking for?
For me, ang gusto ko makita yung rawness, natural, spontaneous, simple. Those are the elements I'm looking for sa akin, ang aking beautiful woman.
Ang ganda. Di ba? Simple. And that can't be you. You're very complicated.
Not so much.
You can be simple?
Yeah. Simple and yet complicated at the same time. At the same time.
Okay. Thank you, Albert. Maraming. You're doing anything?
I'm on vacation.
You're on vacation, but you
Yeah.
did Provinciano for a while,
Provinciano,
right?
Yeah, till November.
Wow. This is a kind of actor who will last forever.
Napakabait, napaka-professional,
Totoo.
napaka-sweet, lahat na
Napakagwapo.
nasa kanya.
Di ba? Of course, let's talk to your alter ego.
Yes, Miss
2015 Miss
Pia.
Universe, Pia Wurzbach. Pia, what are you looking for?
Ang hinahanap ko, kasi nakikita ko yung mga girls, given naman na magaganda na silang lahat, tsaka very poised, magaling sumagot. I mean, do sa top 10 pa lang na casual interview, magagaling na sila. Pero I try to imagine the winner off stage. Kung paano ba siya makitungo sa ibang tao. Kasi after nito, magiging role model siya ng mga kabataang nanonood dito ngayon eh. So yun yung hinahanap ko talaga. Hindi lang performer, pero babae na pwedeng maging role model ng mga kabataan.
Paano ka nabago ni Marlon? You know, we haven't even talked about it, girl.
Nagulat ako doon na paano niya ako nabago.
How were you changed? You know, I did an interview with Marlon a couple of times now, but we haven't talked about him. How were you changed? If at all. I mean, I'm not saying that you should be changed by anyone.
Kasi mas disiplinado si Marlon kesa sa akin eh. Yun talaga. So, natuto ko ng maging health conscious, maging disiplinado sa pag-aalaga ng sarili, pati na yung sa pagpipili ng mga tamang desisyon sa career, ganyan. Kasi syempre after nung Miss Universe, merong pakiramdam ng parang separation anxiety sa trabaho. So siya naman agad yung sumalo sa akin and tinulungan niya ako agad na mag-bounce back, na tuloy-tuloy ko pa rin yung trabaho ko kasi sayang naman yung momentum. So, siya yung nag-direct sa akin kung paano yung tamang way. So, very supportive naman siya.
He's a great guy. He's a great guy. He's a car racer.
I know.
Do you know Marlon Stockinger?
Yeah, I know.
Why?
I saw him
Where?
on television.
Okay.
He was...
Ba't may accent ka ngayon?
oh, yeah, because we're talking to Pia Wurtzbach.
Wala ngang accent, ika.
I like to.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Salamat, Pia.
Salamat.
Thank you very much. Dr. Hayden Ko.
Hi, Doc.
Check.
There.
Good
Thank
evening,
you,
Tito
Jesse.
Boy. Good evening, Mutya ng La Universe, ay.
Yes,
Wow.
I am Miss Intergalactic.
Alien.
Yes, alien.
Hayden, anong hinahanap mo ngayong gabi?
Siguro I'm looking for someone who's really comfortable in her own skin. Di ba merong tinatawag na platonic triangle? Truth, goodness, and beauty. I think I'm looking
Can we
for...
say that again? Truth, goodness,
and beauty. And I'm looking for someone who would exude that. Yung truth, she is true to herself. Goodness, makikita mo sa pananalita niya yung good-heartedness niya. And of course, beauty. And yun yung mahirap kasi we all have different standards of beauty. And in this case, we are asked to judge beauty, I mean physical beauty at that. And I guess it's very difficult. Buti na lang 5 kami nandito.
Okay. Hayden, looking at AI and your...
Wait a minute,
cosmetic-
Amang.
No. I just wanted to ask for his expertise because he's a cosmetic doctor. If she were to go to you for consultation, what would you tell somebody like Eileen?
Walang pikunan na.
Hindi yan marunong
Sure.
Promise, ha?
Yes, Doc.
Turn around. Stop. Okay na.
What do you want to tell Hayden?
I'm just kidding.
Well,
No, we understand.
first, I would like to ask, what is a platonic triangle?
Platonic triangle.
That's Plato's triad.
Yes.
Plato's triad.
Oh.
Do you know Plato?
Yeah.
Who is
Plato, pinggan, kutsara, tinidor, glass, you know?
Hayden, maraming salamat. Thank you
Maraming
very much.
salamat, Doc.
Okay.
Ang
Let's go
aking
to
kamukha.
our last but not the least
Yes.
judge, the beautiful Jasmine Curtis Mills.
I.
Good evening.
again, Tito Boy.
We've been together for quite a while because I've been doing interviews with Jasmine, and he has a gorgeous, gorgeous boyfriend.
Yes. May
Who is-
special mention si Jeff.
Of course.
Tama.
The-
Supportive, Tito Boy.
I know.
May
Okay.
fans.
Guwapo.
Okay. First, Jasmine, what are you looking for tonight?
Ako, Tito Boy, kasi since I'm still very young, I'm the youngest out of the panel, syempre, I'm still looking for someone to look up to. So it would be nice to see someone on the stage na makaka-relate lahat din ng kaedad ko pang mga babae, pati na rin yung mga mas mature na rin na medyo naghahanap ng inspiration, baka gusto nilang tularan din kung sino man yung nasa stage. So gusto ko sanang makita kung sino man ang mananalo tonight na ma-embody nila, tulad na nga ng sinabi ng mga ibang judges natin tonight, ma-embody nila kung sino talaga sila, magsalita sila with confidence, at hindi sila maging mahiya na maging kung sino ba talaga sila from the heart. Kasi, syempre, kahit nasa stage ka, hindi may iwasan na maging kabado at syempre yung sagot mo, gusto mo matuwa kaming lahat. Pero at the same time, dapat totoo ka rin sa sarili mo, sa sasabihin mo.
That's tough, no? But it's real. It's real. Alam mo ba, last year she won Best Actress in the Cinema on Originals Festival.
Yes.
Best Actress at her age.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Congratulations. That's
At
good.
an early age.
Formidable young actress, an actor of consequence. You know what? I was really very impressed because one time I did an interview with Jasmine and I asked her if Anne, because Anne is getting married, sabi namin, if she's not asked to be the bridesmaid, would she mind? You know what she said? No, because I respect the choice of my sister. Galing, no?
Maganda.
Oo.
Practical.
Palagay mo, Eileen, meron ka bang lamang kay Jasmine?
Maybe she's young.
Yun lang.
That's all.
Oh.
Thank you, Miss I.
Okay.
Yes.
Jeff, the boyfriend of Jasmine, is there. I mean, what do you think of Jeff?
Hi, Jeff. How are you, Jeff? It's good.
Tama na.
Jeff.
Tama na. Okay, mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin ang ating panel of judges. Thank you very much.
And ngayon,
Thank you very much. Let's acknowledge a lot of
Yes.
very, very important people.
unang-una ang ating butihing Governor of the Province of La Union, the Honorable Francisco Emmanuel Ortega III.
Governor Pacoy, no? Sabi ni Ay kanina, si Gov ba may asawa? Sabi doon sa backstage, meron po at may anak. So, ayun, you got the answer, okay? Behave. We would like to acknowledge the following also, mga kaibigan.
Okay.
Congressman Pablo Ortega. Congressman, mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat. Again, Congressman Sandra Erigel. We said hello to you earlier. Thank you. Congressman Toff De Venecia. You have to stand to be recognized. How are you? How's mom? She's okay. She's good. All right. Congressman Cristal Bagat Singh. Hello. Hello, Cristal. And Congressman Vinnie Ortega of Abono Party List. Congresswoman Vinnie, hi. Nice meeting you from the state. Okay.
And congratulations then to the local government of La Union for keeping La Union progressive and one of the must-see destinations here in the Philippines.
Galing naman. City Mayor Dong Gualberto. Thank you. Thank you, Mayor, sa iyong pagdalo ngayong gabi. Mayors of the 19 municipalities, vice mayors and councilors, maraming salamat. Governor senior consultants, former Congressman Franny Erigel, is former Congressman, magandang gabi po, and former Governor Manoling Ortega. Magandang gabi po.
Okay. And now,
And men and women of La Union Police Provincial Office, headed by Police Senior Superintendent Leo M. Francisco, maraming salamat. Is that you, sir? Magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat.
cute.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Do we have now? Not yet. Wala pa. We're waiting for the list of the 5 finalists.
Yes. And mamaya, doon ako sa baba. At,
Dahil?
makikichika ako sa
Iibahin natin
ating
ang sistema dito.
Oo,
But of
ibahin
course,
natin.
alam mo, I'd like to thank Pops Fernandez who mounted this
Oh, yes,
pageant.
my partner
Pipay,
and my friend.
maraming salamat. We love you.
And my friend, Joy Ortega.
Our beloved Joy Ortega for making
Very-
this happen. Thank you.
Very beautiful tonight, ang aking mga friends.
And of course, I want to say thank you to Sander, who took good care of us from Thunderbird to the venue.
Yes. Thank you, Sander.
Huwag kang ganyan. I mean, you know, that's Joy. But thank you, Joy. Thank you, Pipay. Thank you. Thank you very much. We hope to see you again next year and the years to come. Maraming salamat po. Inaabangan ho natin, mga kaibigan, ang top 5. Nagtatabulate pa ho at sinisigurado na hindi ho tayo magkamali sa pagpili sa ating top 5. Ikaw, sa mga pagkakataong ganito, how do you handle nerves? Yung ninenervyos ka o ninenervyos ka pa ba?
Yung kunyari ako yung kandidata.
Naging kandidata ka ba?
Yun
Hindi.
nga.
Halimbawa, nagpe-perform ka.
Oh.
Di ba ninenervyos ka pa?
Oo, ama.
Talaga?
Lalo na pag malaking venue. Ninenervyos ako talaga.
And then?
Iniisip ko na lang na nandito ako, binayaran ako para paligayahin sila.
Pera ang iyong motivation.
Hindi
Sabi mo
naman.
bayad, di ba?
Oo, pero ibig ko sabihin, hindi ako pwedeng magpakita ng anything na hindi sila magiging masaya.
Alam mo, Aileen, marami ang nagsasabi sa akin, si Aileen, parang ang sosyal-sosyal. Alam mo yun?
Well, not so.
No, hindi. Paano ba maging sosyal? Turuan mo kami. Mabilisan lamang.
Okay. It depends. Sometimes, I will teach you how to pick up your nose in a social way.
Dito. Marami yan. Gusto ko
Yes,
malaman.
yes.
So, to pick your nose and pick
Oo.
up. Okay.
In Tagalog, excuse me, pangungulangot.
Okay. The social way.
Yes.
All right. Okay, go.
Okay. Now, this is your fingertips. Put it outside your nose.
Okay.
Outside your nose.
All right.
And do the upward and downward stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sa labas.
Yes.
So, paano,
outside your nose.
Paano social yun?
Yeah, later
Okay,
on.
okay,
we
okay.
will go to
I'm
that.
sorry. All right.
And then on the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now, if you think it's loosen up, okay, do it this way.
Oh, ganon. You actually swallow?
Yes, but that's the social way.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's
Don't be
gross.
so social now.
No, I don't
Just
think
be an
so.
ordinary.
Oh my God.
Ordinary is more easier.
Oh, okay. The ordinary way is,
Yes. Jologs is more easier.
how do you do it?
O, gaganto ka lang. O. Pitik-pitikin mo, okay na
Alam
yan.
mo, huwag ka nga, ano na.
Oo.
Maraming salamat po.
Wala.
Director Noel Maximo, maraming salamat. The beauty queen maker, Jonas Gafford is here.
Ah,
Where's
yes.
Jonas, Mama J. And Bessie Besana, maraming salamat.
Marami pong salamat.
Okay, we're still waiting for our top 5 names. Pero Aileen, halika dito. Meron ka rin mga ginagawa na pag social, di ba, yung you pronounce words differently? May mga words na
Oh, yeah?
binibigkas mo para malaman ng tao na ikay sosyal? Katulad?
Kanina, kasasabi mo pa lang.
Aha.
Play-Doh?
How's that?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Ganun dapat. Oh, hindi pwedeng plato eh.
Hindi pwede.
Play-Doh. Ano pa? Halimbawa, ang pag-pronounce ng chivalry. Di ba may...
Parang ano ba ang chivalry?
Basta, yun na yun.
Chivalry.
Okay, we're now ready to announce our top 5.
Ayan. ready
Okay,
na.
may we call back on stage our 10 semi-finalists. Girls? Thank you. Si Ai po ay dinadala doon sa lugar kung nasa natin mga judges. But I want to talk to the girls just very quickly. If you were given the choice, who would be the big winner tonight? Just one name.
Me.
Thank you.
Of course, myself.
Okay, I love this.
Me.
Okay, who is the big winner tonight?
Me.
Okay, who is the big winner tonight?
Me.
All right, who is the big winner tonight?
Me. Me, myself, and I.
Me. Joanna Ann Palabay. Absolutely, Dada.
Okay, the winner tonight is me. Okay, we guys ready? We're going to change a bit. Okay, Eileen?
Yes. Ngayon ay ang ating mga judges ang pipick
No,
up.
no. First, I have to call.
Yeah, all right.
I have to announce the
I'm so
top 5.
sorry.
No,
I'm just human.
You're forgiven. You're forgiven, Estefania Harvey, Steve Harvey. Okay? Mga kaibigan, here are our 5 finalists of Muchati La Union 2017. Our first finalist is from, you're right, Santo Tomas. Our second finalist is from Agor. Third on the list is from Luna. Our fourth finalist is Palawan. Our fifth finalist is Hugo. Girls, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat to our 5 remaining semi-finalists and to our top 5, congratulations. Now we are about to go to one of the most awaited portions of tonight's program, which is the final Q&A. Mga kaibigan, ang gagawin ho natin ay babaliktarin natin. Instead na mga girls ang pipili ng kanilang judge na magtatanong, we do it the other way around. We will have our judges pick the name of a girl they would want to ask. That's the reason why I is over there in the judges section. Okay,
Yeah.
and we would like to start with our candidate from I'm sorry,
No.
with our judge.
Yes. Our
First judge.
judge, my tweenie, Jasmine.
Mutya number 5, Miss Balawan?
Balawan.
Balawan, sorry. Miss Catherine Joy Adona.
Okay.
Sa panahon natin ngayon, tingin mo ba ang advancement ng technology ay nakakabuti sa ating mga kababatang henerasyon? Kung hindi, bakit?
Kung oo, bakit?
Kung oo,
Would you
bakit
like the
din?
question repeated? Okay, can you do the question? Can you ask the question again, please?
Sa panahon natin ngayon, tingin mo ba ang advancement ng teknolohiya ay nakakabuti sa mga kababatang henerasyon? Bakit or hindi bakit?
Advancement
Oo or
of
hindi?
technology is really a big help to the life of the people, most especially to the youth, because we can be able to share our thoughts and ideas. We can be able to even share our ideas. And it just depends on the people who are using it. They must know their limitations. They must know what to share. They must know what to post. And with that, that technology is really useful to all of us. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Yes. And now, dito naman tayo kay Doc. Hanggang ngayon nagsasorry pa siya, biro lang daw.
Check.
Hindi, nasaktan ako. Pogi?
Okay. Mutia Ken Luna, Dardine Heol.
There.
Okay. So since you're candidate number 10, I'll ask you question number 10. How do you know when to end a friendship? Repeat the question. How do you know when to end a friendship?
I am a person who doesn't end anything. I am a person who treasures all the persons that I have met, even as strangers can be friends. And I believe that having a friend is having a family. And having a family is someone who can protect you from harm and danger in life. That would be all. Thank you. Good evening.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Friendship. Ayan. Dito na tayo kay Miss Pia. Yes. Kay?
Mutya number 1. Karina Carino. Beautiful name. Karina, March is National Women's Month in the Philippines, and March 8th is actually International Women's Day. It celebrates women who inspire and empower. Aside from your mother, who's obviously the reason why you're here in this pageant, can you name another female figure in your life who inspired you? Tagalog ba?
Pia, can you, no, because we have to be fair. Can you repeat your question? Because, yeah, we asked the other judges to actually repeat the question twice. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right.
So since it's almost International Women's Day, and that's a celebration of women who empower and inspire, aside from your mother, can you name another female figure in your life that inspired you?
I would have to name my handler, Mommy Paul, because he has inspired me to go here and be here to inspire people as
But-
well. Excuse me. I do not think that we should limit the female figure to women who are biologically female, because we already have transcended towards a new era where we can define women as those who have already changed their gender and already decided to be identified as women. I think that Mommy Paul has inspired me here to stand in front of you all in this pageant, because I believe that he told me and inspired me that pageants are are a celebration of a woman's beauty, and it inspires and empowers women. And that is how big his impact in my life, her impact in my life is. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Women empowerment. Mr. Albert Martinez.
Yeah, I want to comment, but I'm not allowed to comment. But I will say it later. Albert.
Multia number 12, from Pugo, Rainsy Van Kidding.
And Albert, kindly repeat your question, okay?
Okay.
So, all right.
What is the best advice na ibinigay sa'yo to win this pageant? I will repeat my question. What is the best advice na ibinigay sa'yo to win this pageant?
The best advice po na ibinigay sa akin is to believe in myself. To believe that I have a beauty with a purpose. And that is to inspire lives, and that is to touch others' lives. Because that is the main purpose of life. To make other people happy, to inspire them, to touch their lives. And I use it as a motivation. I use it as an inspiration because I believe that it is already destined. I believe that it is already in our God's plan. That March 2, 2017, Rainsy KL Jamaica Mantiding is your Mutiati La Union 2017.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.
And now, sa ating governor.
Congresswoman
Ay,
Geraldine
sorry,
Roman.
Congresswoman. Nalilito na ako.
It's working.
Of course, Santo Tomas, Roxanne Sanglay.
Chantel. Okay.
Good evening, Roxanne. How are you?
Chantel.
It's Chantel.
Chantel.
Okay,
mali,
Chantel.
mali yung ano.
So,
Nagkamali
Chantel.
yung...
Okay, we apologize. We
Oh,
apologize.
we're just human.
Okay.
Mali siya talaga.
Chantel.
It happens in Miss Universe. It
Yes.
happens in the Oscars. It
Yes.
happens in Miss La Union.
O, di ba? At least magkaka-level tayo rito.
Go ahead, Congresswoman, please.
Chantel, if God were to make you choose only one of these choices that I'm about to present to you, mamili ka, Chantel. Bibigyan kita ng brains o bibigyan kita ng beauty? And why?
Can you repeat the question, please?
If God were to make you choose between brains or beauty, ano ang pipiliin mo at bakit?
I would rather choose the beauty, which is the inside. Because I know that if you're a person, a strong person, who feels deeply, who loves fiercely, and a person who is always strong enough and be powerful in a way that your confidence in it's a confidence that can inspire other people. You're gonna be a blessing and a gift as well to other people. And I'd rather choose beauty from the inner because once you stand as a beautiful woman in front of everyone, you can radiate that kind of beauty to everyone. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Di ba? Grabe, nakaka-nervous naman yung mga
Wow.
question and answer. Beauty and brain.
Right now,
Oo
ladies
nga.
and gentlemen, our judges are choosing the winners tonight as
Ikaw,
Eileen
Ama.
is making her way up the stage again. You guys are okay? Kumusta? How are you feeling?
I actually feel
What
very inspired right now because I've been able to send out the message that I want to send. Thank you.
Thank you.
I am feeling awesome because I am here in the top 5 that I didn't really expected.
Fulfilled because I am able to represent my town.
Galing. And?
I feel relaxed now because at last we are going to know the winners.
I am just happy and blessed so much here because I also want to say thank you to those supporters, most especially Santo Tomas for believing in me, and God bless you all.
Are you a finalist? Can we please step forward here so we can ask you your question. Yeah, okay. Gagayahin ko yung tanong ni Congresswoman Geraldine Roman.
Yes, I feel no pressure right now.
If you were to choose between beauty or brains, what would you choose and why?
Maybe I will choose beauty.
Why?
Because without brains, they will bash me. But if I have beauty, I will say to them, bash you.
Nice. Okay. Okay. Eileen, another question.
Oh.
What is the essence of being a comedy queen?
Well, I need an interpreter. I need an interpreter.
Okay. An interpreter.
Yeah.
But we have no interpreter around.
Oh, so therefore, I will not answer the question because there is no interpreter.
Okay. May nagpadala dito ng tanong.
Yes.
And this is a very political question kasi alam nilang napakatalino mo, and I'd read the question. A couple of days ago, napabalita, or weeks ago, I think, the brother of the North Korean leader, Kim Jong-un, Kim Jong-nam, was murdered in the Malaysian airport, and 2 women are suspected of having killed the brother of the North Korean leader. So, Miss Ai de las Alas, what are your thoughts on the North Korean government and of the murder of the brother of the North Korean leader?
First of all, I didn't kill my brother. My brother is not a pig. So don't blame me. That's all.
May isa pa ditong katanungan. Miss Ai, last na lamang. This is about President Trump's political advisor, Kellyanne Conway, who is credited to have invented the phrase alternative facts. The other day in the White House, she was seen kneeling and tweeting inside the Oval Office. In your opinion, was that appropriate for someone to do that gesture inside the Oval Office?
Well, first of all, kneeling is not winning. We kneel in the church, not in the Congress. Thank you.
Okay. Panalo ka? No? Galing. Maraming
No more
salamat.
further question, Mr. Boy Abunda?
No. No more questions. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, we will present to you and to the judges for the last time, one by one, the 5 finalists, starting with Eileen.
Yes.
Galing mo sumagot.
Starting with
our candidate, our finalist from Santo Tomas, please.
Ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
I'm 20 and I'm from Santo Tomas, La Union. My hobbies are, since I'm a writer, so I compose songs, I also sing, and I play the guitar. I have a grandfather who's also a composer. He's the composer of some of the songs of Eva Eugenio. If you know Tukso, he's the composer. What I like about La Union is that how it brings people, other people here, and how you are really welcomed. And of course, when it's time for relaxation, vacation, when it comes to families, we just come here and we just love everything about it. My most unforgettable moments in my life, joining a lot of pageants, not just pageants, but also experiencing new stuff in with my family, because since they're the people who has made me strong as a person, who I am right now, and yeah, it just keeps on going, and that experience is just beautiful.
Thank you very much. For our last look, please welcome our finalist from Agoo.
Trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes.
I'm Karina Carino, 19, from Agoo. Well, initially, I was encouraged by my parents, but I grew to love pageantry, and eventually, as I won Miss Agoo, I came here to compete for my town. Well, my inspiration in life would be my mother. From the start, I've seen how she has struggled with hardships and how she rose above all the challenges in life. And I guess that's very much inspiring for me because for all the obstacles that I've encountered in life, I grew to see her as my source of some kind of anchor and my strength.
Thank you. Now, here is our finalist from Luna.
Darlene May Kawili, 21, Luna. La Union is a beautiful place for beautiful people live into. And it is a place where historical sites and natural resources are rich and undisturbed. And it is also a place where people live in peace, love, and revere God. I will tour you first in Our Lady of Namakpakan Church so that we can thank God for our safety travel. And then I know that you're hungry too, so I can give you a snack time in Bahay na Bato because we have a restaurant there. I deserve the crown because I know that I have what it takes to be the Miss La Union. And of course, I want to bring pride to my family and of course to my fellow Lunarians.
Thank you. Narito naman po mga kaibigan, our finalist from Balawan.
Hello, I'm Catherine Joy Adona, 22, representing Balawan. My inspirations are my family and of course the people of Balawan. I would bring you to our famous Apaleng Park located in Butubot Norte. And of course the second is Falls in Bungul. I wanted to be 5 years from now is to become a flight attendant. I have the faith and I have the determination to represent my hometown.
Maraming salamat. Last but not least, our finalist from Pugo.
I'm Rain Zibantiding, 18, from Pugo. My parents inspired me to join this pageant. My dream when I was a kid is to become a broadcaster because I want to share knowledge, information, and awareness to the society. And I believe that the people deserve and have the right to know what is happening in the community, in the world, and in the universe. My favorite broadcaster is Mr. Dobby Dixman. He's very intelligent, he's very handsome as well. He's very good in delivering the news, the information. That's why I really, really idolize him. So I am very proud to be a La Union resident because La Union is a very beautiful place with very beautiful people. That is why I'm very proud.
Thank you. Our lovely finalists, mga kaibigan. Right now, kanina nga, Eileen, the first time you enter the stage, in a farewell walk ka. Ngayon naman, yung totoong farewell walk of our winner last year.
Yes, from our Mutiati La Union 2016 for her farewell walk. She is Trisha Ocampo.
Mutiati La Union 2016 opened many doors for me to give back to the land I call home. And before I pass my crown and make another girl's dream come true, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to everyone who developed me, even in the simplest way, into who I am now and was part of my journey to the crown. My biggest thank you to the woman who deserves my crown more than I do. My inspiration, my hero, my mother. To Governor Pacoy Ortega and the people of our beloved La Union, thank you for always being there for me. To my PITO family headed by Sir Adamor, thank you for always including me in your activities to promote tourism here in La Union. To the ever beautiful Miss Joy Ortega, thank you for spoiling us, making us feel like real queens, for your kind heart and for giving us an experience like no other. To the aces and queens, for sharing your expertise and for bringing out the best beauty queens that we can be. To my second mother and handler, Mami Po Sanglay, for taking good care of me, for pushing me to do my best, and for helping me to keep my feet on the ground, and most especially for helping me achieve my dreams. To my successor, I hope that this crown will change your life in the most amazing ways like it did to mine. Wear this crown responsibly with a kind heart to inspire others and fulfill your duties for the love of our La Union. To our God Almighty, who is the source of all things beautiful, to God may always be the glory. I don't see this farewell as walking away, but I see it as moving forward. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Trisha Bartolomeo Campo and will always be your Mutiati La Union 2016.
Maraming salamat, Eileen. We would like to call back on stage our 5 finalists. Girls, please, as we are about to announce the winners. Nakakakaba na, no? Nakakakaba na.
Yes.
Okay.
Kayo
First of
ba'y
all,
kinakabahan na rin?
Maraming salamat po. And, you know, after all these months of preparations, we've come to this point when we will have to announce
The
winners and the
winners.
runners-up. Okay? Yes, the other girls are joining us on stage. Thank you. Right. Okay. And our judges, our special guests, are also joining us on stage to award the winners. May we start now announcing the winner, and we would like to start with the second runner-up. The second runner-up is
Darlene May Kawile from Luna.
Presenting the award is Congresswoman Geraldine Roman.
Congratulations at maraming salamat. Thank you, Congresswoman Roman. And, Eileen, our first runner-up is
Catherine Joy Adora from Palawan.
Palawan.
Presenting the award is Angelica Pagaduan, Mutiati Kalikasan 2016, and Albert Martinez.
Thank you, Jasmine. And congratulations. Our Mutya ng Kalikasan. Our Mutya ng Kalikasan is
Renzi Kale Pantiding from Pugo.
And Mutiati Kalikasan 2016, Angelica Pagaduan.
All right. Congratulations and thank you. Mga kaibigan, we're about to announce the two the two remaining crowns, prizes, which are Mutya ng Turismo at Mutya Tila Union. The first name we will call is Mutya ng Turismo. And our last name, of course, is the Mutya Tila Union 2017. Eileen, let's start with Mutya ng Turismo 2017 is Shontel Michelle Cruz Santo Tomas. Mutya ng La Union is Karina Carino of Ago.
Calling Mutiati Turismo 2017 is Dea Refuerzo. Mutiati Turismo 2016. And Mr. Hayden Call. And Crowley Mutiati La Union 2017 is Tricio Ocampo, Mutiati La Union 2016, and Governor Pacoy Ortega, together with Ms. Pia Wurzbach.
Miss Agoo just achieved a 6-feet victory. Pang-anim na taon na po na tuloy-tuloy na nanalo po ang Miss Agoo. Congratulations. Congratulations. Mabuhay po ang Mutiati La Union 2017.
At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and congratulations to Miss Agoo.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Pops Fernandez, Governor Pacoy, Joy Ortega, Pia Wurzbach, to all our judges, Jasmine Curtis, Hayden Ko, Congresswoman Roman, and Albert Martinez. To all the girls, finalists, and the candidates, maraming salamat. At higit sa lahat, sa inyong lahat, thank you.
Thank you sa inyong lahat. To God be the glory. Ako po si Ay de las Alas na nagsasabi sa inyo, maraming salamat. Good night.
Ako po si Boy Abunda, nagsasabing maraming salamat and we will see you again. Good night!
Good night!
club and get shit cracking.
Charlize, where are you, Charlize Ortega? Come here to the stage. Charlize. Charlize Ortega, please come to the stage. Charlize. Charlize Ortega, please come to the stage.